What's up, guys? Welcome back to the AdTactix training. In this video, we're going to be going over the Quick Insights, which is a section here on the Labs tab. If you don't see it, just make sure you click the little plus button and you can hide it and expand it right there. So this is a really useful feature for, especially when you're trying to come up with initial bid input settings. You can get a really good idea by ASIN, kind of what your average cost per clicks are in all the different match types, and kind of see some of your aggregated total metrics and then drill down into things further. So this tool is only for sponsored products. You do need to have your sponsored products file down here in the as sync state. So again, that means you've imported your bulk file and then clicked this sync all data, and then when you go to the files, they'll kind of be in this format with your target overrides, and you'll see your new bid in red, and then your metrics off here to the right. All right, so all you need to do in order to kind of get this tool set up is hop into Optimize PPC, go down to Labs, Quick Insights. You can click on the SOP here. It just kind of runs through the steps that I'm running through in this video, but you're going to come up and just go to Quick Insights, click Initialize, and this is just going to add a quick column over in your sponsored products file that's needed to sort and set up this report correctly. So just give that a second to load. It'll say finish script, and then you're good to go. X out of this. All right, and then all you need to do is decide kind of which metric you want to view first. And then you can always switch these as well. I always usually like to look at either orders, revenue, or spend. The cost per acquisition is interesting too, but typically I start with just orders from the get-go. And keep in mind, if you have a bunch of multi-ASIN structured campaigns set up, this is going to be a bit busy from a row standpoint. So you can see here I've got a few of them that we've grouped in ASINs into their own unique campaigns, and that data is going to be pulled out and separated from the rest. But you can see what it's doing. It's basically organizing by grand total the orders from largest to smallest, and then you've got the ASINs on the left here along with your kind of match type or campaign type if it's an auto or ASIN targeting there. And then the idea is you can either double click or you can right click and click show details, and it's going to open up another report here, and this just gives you all of the kind of details that that go into that value, that summation that we were looking at. But I'm going to delete that. Just know that you can drill into the values there more closely, and then if you want to change it, you would just go to Quick Insights, choose a different metric. Now I want to look at CPC, and maybe I'm setting up my bid override table by ASINs, and I want to see kind of what my cost per click is per match type. You have the economics of your products that you can factor in there as well to determine kind of where you want to start out bid wise, but you can see like exact match for each of your ASINs, what you've been converting at. And then just kind of use this information for a variety of different ways. Cost per acquisition is another good one to look at and just see which of your ASINs you're getting the cheapest as far as cost per order. So pretty quick and to the point on this video. Just wanted to let you guys know that this is here and how to use it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.